Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Emmanuel, your mobile phone and computer technician, and I'm glad to see you again. If you're enjoying this course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Before we begin today's lesson, let's take a few minutes to review what we learned in our previous class. Remember, every step matters, and a strong foundation will help you become a skilled mobile phone technician. Let's begin by answering the end of topic questions from our previous lesson. Question 1. What is a mobile phone? Answer. A mobile phone is a handheld electronic device that allows users to make and receive calls, send messages, access the internet, and perform many other communication and computing functions while moving from one location to another. Question 2. What are the benefits of studying mobile phone repair? Answer. Studying mobile phone repair enables you to identify different types of mobile phones, recognize potential hazards during repair, identify the major parts of a mobile phone, use the correct repair tools safely, assemble and disassemble mobile phones correctly, diagnose and repair common mobile phone faults, develop practical skills that can lead to employment or self-employment. Question 3. What are the types of mobile phones? Answer. The four main types of mobile phones are bar phone, touchscreen phone, flip phone, slider phone. Question 4. What is a form factor? Answer. A form factor is the physical design of a mobile phone. It refers to the size, shape, style, and the arrangement of its major components. Question 5. What are the four major form factors, of mobile phones? Answer. The four major form factors of mobile phones are bar phone, a fixed rectangular, cuboid, phone with no moving parts. Touchscreen phone, a phone with a large electronic display and an on-screen keyboard. Flip phone, a phone with two sections connected by a hinge that open and close. Slider phone, a phone with two sections that slide past each other to reveal a keypad or keyboard. Excellent. If you answered those questions correctly, you're building a strong foundation in mobile phone repair. Now, let's move on to topic 2. Potential hazards associated with mobile phone repair. In this lesson, you'll learn what a hazard is, common hazard-related terms, hazards you may encounter during mobile phone repair, how to prevent accidents and work safely in the repair workshop. Let's get started. A hazard is anything that has the potential to cause harm, injury, damage to property, or harm to the environment. Meaning of terms associated with hazards. When working in a mobile phone repair workshop, technicians come across different warning labels and safety terms. Understanding these terms helps prevent accidents and ensures a safe working environment. 1. Flammable, meaning, a flammable substance is a material that can easily catch fire and burn when exposed to heat, sparks, flames, or other sources of ignition. Examples in mobile phone repair: isopropyl alcohol, cleaning solvents, aerosol sprays. Safety precautions: keep flammable materials away from open flames and sparks. Store them in tightly closed containers. Work in a well-ventilated area. Do not smoke near flammable substances. 2. Corrosive, meaning, a corrosive substance is a chemical that can gradually damage or destroy skin, eyes, metals, and other materials through chemical action. Examples in mobile phone repair: strong cleaning chemicals, battery acid from damaged batteries. Safety precautions: wear protective gloves and safety goggles. Avoid direct contact with the skin and eyes. Store corrosive substances in labeled containers. Wash immediately with plenty of water if accidental contact occurs. 3. Toxic, meaning, a toxic substance is poisonous and can cause illness, injury, or even death if swallowed, inhaled, or absorbed through the skin. Examples in mobile phone repair: battery chemicals from leaking lithium-ion batteries. Some electronic cleaning chemicals. Safety precautions: avoid inhaling toxic substances. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. Wash your hands after handling chemicals. Store toxic substances away from food and drinking water. 4. Fumes, meaning, fumes are gases or vapors produced when a substance is heated or burned. Some fumes can irritate the eyes, nose, throat, or lungs when inhaled. Examples in mobile phone repair: soldering fumes, smoke from overheating electronic components. Safety precautions: work in a well-ventilated room. Use a fume extractor when soldering. Avoid breathing fumes directly. Wear a suitable face mask when necessary. Summary table. Term meaning: Flammable, a substance that can easily catch fire and burn. Corrosive, a substance that can damage skin, eyes, or metals through chemical action. Toxic, a poisonous substance that can cause illness or injury if inhaled, swallowed, or absorbed. Fumes, gases or vapors produced by heating substances that may irritate or harm the respiratory system. Conclusion: understanding hazard-related terms is essential for every mobile phone repair technician. By recognizing these warning terms and following the appropriate safety precautions, technicians can protect themselves, their colleagues, customers, and the environment while carrying out repair work safely. In mobile phone repair, hazards may arise from electrical equipment, hot tools, sharp objects, chemicals, or poor housekeeping in the workshop. Common hazards during mobile phone repair: 1. Burns. Explanation: burns occur when a technician comes into contact with hot objects such as a soldering iron, heat gun, heated circuit boards, or molten solder. Burns can cause pain, blisters, or serious skin injuries if proper care is not taken. Preventive actions: use well-insulated tools. Wear protective gloves when necessary. Always place the soldering iron on its stand after use. Unplug soldering equipment and other electrical devices when they are not in use. 2. Pricks by sharp objects. Explanation: sharp tools such as precision knives, screwdrivers, tweezers, broken phone screens, and metal parts can cause cuts or puncture wounds if handled carelessly. These injuries may also lead to infections if not treated properly. Preventive actions: store sharp tools in the appropriate storage area. Dispose of broken glass and other sharp objects safely. Use the correct tool for each repair task. Handle sharp objects with care. 3. Environmental pollution. Explanation: during phone repair, damaged batteries, broken screens, circuit boards, and other electronic components become waste. Improper disposal of these materials can pollute the environment and pose health risks to people and animals. Preventive actions: dispose of electronic waste according to approved procedures. Recycle reusable electronic components whenever possible. Never burn or dump batteries and electronic waste with ordinary household garbage. 4. Trailing electrical cables. Explanation: electrical cables left lying on the floor can cause people to trip and fall. Damaged or exposed cables may also lead to electric shock or electrical fires. Preventive actions: unplug electrical equipment when it is not in use. Store cables neatly after use. Keep cables away from walkways. Replace damaged cables immediately. 5. Falls. Explanation: falls can occur when tools, bins, equipment, or waste materials are left on the floor. Wet or untidy work areas also increase the risk of slipping and falling. Preventive actions: keep all tools and equipment in their designated places. Maintain a clean and tidy workstation. Remove obstacles from walkways. Clean up spills immediately. Summary: a safe mobile phone repair workshop depends on identifying hazards and taking the right preventive measures. Following safety procedures helps prevent accidents, protects equipment, safeguards the environment, and ensures that repair work is carried out professionally. That's all for today's lesson. Pause the video and answer the questions on the board. If you got them all correct, you're one step closer to becoming a professional mobile phone technician. See you in the next lesson, and remember, repair the phone, not the problem.